In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to block internet access for Adobe Illustrator using Windows Firewall. This is the safest and most reliable method if you want Illustrator to run offline, prevent background connections, or stop automatic license checks and updates. The best part is, you don't need to install any third-party software. Everything we're doing today is built directly into Windows. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's get started. The method we're using is Windows Firewall with advanced security, and we'll be creating something called an outbound rule. This tells Windows to block Illustrator from sending any data out to the internet. Step 1 is opening the Firewall panel. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus R at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box. In the text field, type wf.msc. That's wf.msc, and then press Enter. This will open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. If you see the firewall dashboard with options on the left and right sides, you're in the correct place. Now we're going to create the outbound rule. On the left side of the window, click on Outbound Rules. This section controls programs trying to connect out to the internet. Once you click it, look over to the right-hand panel and select New Rule. A new window will pop up asking what type of rule you want to create. Choose Program because we want to block a specific application, then click Next. Now we need to tell Windows which program to block. Select the option that says This Program Path, then click the Browse button. You'll need to navigate to Illustrator's installation folder. In most cases, the path will be C:\program files \Adobe Illustrator followed by your version number, then support files, contents, Windows, and finally Illustrator.exe. Select Illustrator.exe and click Open. After the path appears in the box, click Next. Next, you'll see three options: allow the connection if it is secure, or block the connection. Choose Block the connection. This is the key step that stops Illustrator from accessing the internet. After selecting it, click Next. Now you'll be asked when this rule should apply. You'll see three checkboxes: Domain, Private, and Public. To make sure Illustrator is completely blocked on all networks, check all three boxes. This ensures the rule works whether you're on home Wi-Fi, office networks, or public connections. Once all three are selected, click Next. Finally, we'll name the rule so it's easy to recognize later. In the name field, type something clear like Block Adobe Illustrator Internet. You can also add a short description if you want, but that's optional. Click Finish. And that's it. Illustrator is now blocked from accessing the internet through Windows Firewall. If you ever want to reverse this, simply go back into Outbound Rules, find the rule you created, right-click it, and either disable or delete it. This method is recommended because it's secure, built into Windows, and gives you full control over application network access without modifying system files or installing extra tools. If this video helped you successfully block internet access for Illustrator, go ahead and hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.